गया ना क्वेश्चन 4 के मार्क्स?
हाँ मैम।
Okay. Yeah, so what I was saying, if I have a 2x4 decoder, ठीक है, मैंने ये आपको बताया कि NAND गेट से भी बनते हैं डिकोडर्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो डिजाइन डिकोडर्स यूजिंग NAND गेट. जैसे हमने AND गेट से किया वैसे NAND गेट से भी बना सकते हो. ठीक है, तो ओनली डिफरेंस इज wherever D0 is 0, remaining would be that in if I design my decoder with NAND gates, in that case D0 would be 1 and remaining would be, sorry, D0 would be 0, remaining would be 1 if I design it using NAND gates. ठीक है, ये मैंने करवाया था. I got disturbed ये पूरा बीच में. Did I teach you this? Okay, fine. So हमने यहाँ तक किया था. Now what I was saying is every ICs that you use, majority of ICs that you use, they have an extra pin in it which is used for controlling the entire circuit. Okay, here we have a pin called enable. You have an enable pin over here. This pin is used for controlling the entire circuit. Now, if you have designed your decoder using AND gates, ठीक है, let us talk. हमने जो सर्किट देखी वो कौन सी देखी थी? AND गेट वाली देखी थी. AND गेट वाली देखी, it means what? My output would be like that, like this. This is my 2x4 decoder, 1 2 3 4. This is suppose A and B. तो ये क्या होगा? A dash B dash, A dash, sorry, A B dash, नहीं, A dash B, then A B dash and A B. Okay, so here A and B are my inputs. 0 0, so D0 would be 1, remaining would be 0. 0 1, and 1 1. Okay, now suppose I have this type of decoder. Now when I have an extra pin over here, this enable would be working as what? It would be working as an extra pin which would help me to control my circuit. If the value of E, यहाँ पे मैंने एक circle बनाया. What does the circle indicate? Circle indicates कि enable की value circuit के अंदर complemented form के अंदर जा रही है. Okay, it is going inside this circuit in a complemented form. So whenever the value of enable is 0, what will go inside it? It would have value of 1 when it go inside the decoder. So when the value of enable is 0, this circuit will work properly as per the inputs that you give. But if the value of enable is 1, यहाँ पे 1 जाएगा, it means what? अंदर 0 जाएगा. अंदर 0 गया, it means सभी enable को कैसे लिखते हैं बताए? आपका first, if this is your D0, here what inputs do we provide? A dash B dash provide करते हैं. ठीक है, D0 में A dash B dash provide करते हैं. When a decoder has an enable pin with it, तो सारे AND गेट्स के साथ ये enable को AND किया जाता है. सारे गेट्स के अंदर enable को भी डाल देते हैं. Along with A and B, enable is also provided to all the AND gates in the circuit. तो अगर आपका enable इधर है, अगर enable complemented form में अंदर जाता है, तो what would happen? When the value of enable is 1, it would pass 0 over here and that 0 will go over here. And if your AND gate has a 0 input, what would happen? D0 will become 0. और ये मैंने क्या कहा? Enable को सारे AND गेट के साथ डाल दिया जाता है, सारे AND गेट में डाल दिया जाता है. ठीक है, if you have 4 AND gates for 4 outputs, all of them will have enable in it. So whenever the value of enable is 1, all your 4 outputs should be 0. पता चला? तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं enable की वैल्यू 1 रखती हूँ, तो irrespective of the value of A and B, all these would be zeros. And if the value of enable is 0, तो वो किस तरह काम करेगा? The output would depend upon A and B. Okay, so that is the use of enable pin, which would help you to control your circuit. Clear? Now, how to use this enable for some other purposes? Suppose you are asked to design, ध्यान से देखना, this type of questions can be asked in exam. Design So now we know that what is a decoder. If I provide n inputs, I will have 2 raised to n outputs. Okay, so now if you are asked to design a 4 cross 16 decoder, नहीं पहले मैं छोटा सा लेती हूँ. I'll take a smaller example and then we'll see bigger one. Suppose you are asked to design a 3 cross 8 decoder using two cross 4 decoders. How will you do that? आपके पास 2 cross 4 decoders है. How many 2 cross 4 decoders you have? You have two cross 4 decoders. Let us see how to design this type of circuit. ठीक है? 2 cross 4 वाले decoder से हमें क्या बनाना है? We will be designing a 3 cross 8 decoder. Internal construction अब हमें पता है. Now we'll only be dealing with block diagram. Okay? So this is a 2 cross 4 decoder. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another 2 cross 4 decoder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many outputs did I have? Do I have? Total how many outputs do I have? 8 outputs. यानी ये 3 cross 8 में से ये वाला part solve हो गया. ठीक है? Now, look at the table that I am making over here. 3 cross 8 means 3 inputs 0, 0, 0. जब 0, 0, 0 होगा तो D0 में आपको 1 मिलेगा. जब 0, 0, 1 होगा तो D1 will be 1. When it is 0, 1, 0, D2 would be 1. कितना होगा? Up to D7. Okay. So suppose this is my input, right? 3-bit inputs A, B, C. And these are my outputs D0 to D7. मुझे ये वाला decoder बनाना है using two cross 4 decoders. अब D0 to D7 suppose मैंने इधर लिख दिया. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. अब ध्यान से देखो, right? When is D0, D1, D2, D3? Can I say like this? Can I divide my this task? ये मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ की ना? हाँ, ऊपर वाला I missed it out. This one. These 4 D0 to D1 are outputs of the first decoder and these are the outputs of the second decoder, right? Now what I'll do is, this is my additional bit. तो पहले तो B और C को तो सब में प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं हम. ठीक है? B और C would be the inputs to my first decoder. ये B है और ये C है. अब A जब 0 हो तो I want this decoder to work. And whenever the value of A is 1, I want this decoder to work. So what can we do? Anyone who could let me know? A जब 0 हो तो मेरा आउटपुट D0, D1, D2, D3 आना चाहिए. और A1 हो तब आउटपुट D4, D5, D6, D7 आना चाहिए. So what can we do? Where shall we connect A? A can be used as enable key. Yes, A can be used as enable key. Enable हमेशा हम अंदर किस फॉर्म में देते हैं? कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म में. ठीक है? तो A की वैल्यू जब 0 है, A को अगर मैं इधर कनेक्ट कर दूं तो A की वैल्यू जब 0 है तो व्हाट वुड हैपन? दिस थिंग वुड वर्क. और तब ये काम नहीं करना चाहिए. नीचे वाला काम तो नहीं करना चाहिए ना. when this outputs are D0 to D3, these should not work. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Can I provide a complemented A in this enable? तो जब A की वैल्यू 0 होगी तो यहाँ पे 1 जाएगा और ये डिकोडर 1 करेगा. And when A is 0 over here, तो इधर 1 जाएगा, 1 वापस अंदर जाएगा, तब क्या बन जाएगा? 0 बन जाएगा. And this will not work. पता चला सबको? So this is how we can use an enable pin. तो ये मेरा हो गया 3 cross 8 decoder. These are my 3 inputs and these are my 8 outputs. Most significant bit जो आपकी है, you have to use that most significant bit as your enable pin. Did you understand, all of you? Say yes or no. आई वांट यस फ्रॉम एवरीवन। यस लिखो, तब तक मैं वो बुक ढूंढ रही हूँ। चलो जल्दी। Till I open my document and share it with you, I want all of you to let me know whether you understood or not. B and C will also go to second decoder, right? Yes, didn't I do that? Sorry, I had missed out. हाँ, इसके अंदर भी जाएगा. Sorry, I didn't do it. I was explaining you the top decoder. तो ये B and ये C दोनों में जाना चाहिए, तभी तो आपको आउटपुट मिलेगा. Thank you for pointing it out. चलो, anyone else? Any doubts? आई कैन सी ऑल यस। एनी कोई कमेंट नहीं दिख रही है मुझे। एक था बी एंड सी वाला। ओके फाइन। सो दिस इज हाउ। नेक्स्ट, just think, before I open the book, I want you to draw it in your notebook. 4x8 decoder using two 3x8 decoders. Quickly, मैं बुक में आपको फिगर दिखा दूंगी, but you know my PC, it is taking time till it gets opened. आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक में बना दोगे quickly. What you are asked to design? A 4x16 decoder using two 3x8 decoders. Quickly design it and then I'll show you the circuit. It should be exactly the same. Done? Write done in the chat window once you complete it. Just block diagram. It won't take time. Only one student? What are others doing? Okay. Chalo, is this visible to you? Have you designed a circuit like this? 4x16 decode, all of you. Is this visible? PDF visible है आपको? Okay, fine. So this is a 4x16 decoder. The only thing you have to take care of is the most significant bit. ठीक है, ABCD है तो A को, WXYZ है तो W. So that most significant bit should be provided as an enable. और एक डिकोडर में आप ओरिजिनल एनेबल दोगे, दूसरे में आप उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड दोगे. ठीक है, चलो. So now this was how to use this enable for combining two decoders and designing a new type of decoder. Fine. Now, before we move on to the next topic, that is encoder, in continuation with this, ma'am, complement can be given to any one of the decoders. Any one of the decoders में आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि if I write D0 to D7 over here, ठीक है, तो आपका कहाँ जाना चाहिए और बाकी कहाँ, लाइक इफ यहाँ पे ऊपर क्यों दिया हुआ है, why is complemented given इन द अपर डिकोडर, कैन एनीवन टेल मी? मैंने लोअर में किया था, इधर अपर में क्यों दिया हुआ है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? Because in my decoder, what did I provide? I provided a small tiny circle over here. नीचे एक circle दिया था. What does that circle mean? My IC is designed in such a way that my enable goes inside it in a complemented form. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो सर्कल नहीं है. अगर सर्कल बनाते हो तो उस हिसाब से आप अपने W को सेट करो. यहाँ पे देखो W की वैल्यू अगर 0 होगी तो my upper my this one upper decoder would have value 1 and it would generate D0 to D7. ठीक है, पता चला? So accordingly you have to identify कि जब W की वैल्यू 0 है तब कौन सा डिकोडर वर्क करेगा और कौन सा नहीं. मैम why is it complemented? कहाँ पे मैंने जो बनाया उसमें? See, different ICs are designed by different people, right? The logic would remain the same. The way in which the हर एक IC का एक पिन डायग्राम होता है. In pin diagram, if you find a small circle, it means that here the value goes inside in a complemented way. कुछ आईसीज के अंदर आपको सर्कल नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पे हमने जो हार्डवेयर आईसीज यूज की थी जनरली, उन सारे आईसी के अंदर वो कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म था. तो इन माय माइंड व्हाट इज सेट कि हाँ एनेबल यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म में डिजाइन, वैसी आईसी डिजाइन होती है. ठीक है, बट इट कैन ऑल्सो हैव व्हेन दिस सर्कल इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, इट मीन्स व्हाट, इट गोज इन ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. तो उस हिसाब से आपको आपका ये वाला कॉम्प्लीमेंट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So as I told you, some decoders are designed using AND gates, some decoders are designed using NAND gates. अगर NAND gates है तो वापस आपका ये चेंज हो जाएगा. तो it depends upon the pin diagram of each and every IC. Okay, earlier also I had told you एक बार explore करना ये जो भी basic gates है, AND, OR, NOT, XOR, उन सब के IC का पिन डायग्राम. हमने अब 4-bit बाइनरी एडर भी पढ़ा. ठीक है, लुक नेट, आप इतना नेट यूज करते हो, गूगल पे सर्च करो 4-bit बाइनरी एडर आईसी और उसका पिन डायग्राम. ओके, यू विल गेट टू नो कि कौन कौन से पिन्स कहाँ पे कनेक्ट करते हैं, कौन सा वीसीसी होता है, कौन सा ग्राउंड होता है. ठीक है, नाउ दैट वी आर यूजिंग सिम्युलेटर, वी हैव कट ऑफ विद दीज आईसीज, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग इट हियर, बट एक्चुअल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आर बीइंग कैरिड आउट यूजिंग दीज आईसीज. फाइन, तो आपको आईसी का पिन डायग्राम देख के पता चलेगा कि अंदर कौन से फॉर्म में डेटा जा रहा है. चलो, ओके. सो बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू एनकोडर, I told you that we'll be studying these important concepts: decoder, encoder, multiplexer, and demultiplexer. Input, output, selection lines. ये क्या है बताती हूँ. Decoder we have already studied. What does a decoder have? If you have n inputs, it will give you 2 raised to n outputs. It doesn't have any selection line. What is an encoder? Encoder is the opposite of decoder. If you have 2 raised to n inputs, it will generate n outputs for you. Okay, अगर आप 8 inputs देते हो तो आपको 3 output देंगे. कैसे, हम वो सीखेंगे अभी. Multiplexer has 2 raised to n inputs, 1 output and n selection lines. It means suppose I have 4 inputs. Okay, 4 inputs है. कौन कौन से? Suppose 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, ऐसे मेरे 4 input है. What will it do? It will redirect any one of these to the output, either 0 0, either 0 1, 1 0 या 1 1. इन चारों में से ये मेरे जो 4 इनपुट है ABCD, इनमें से कोई एक इनपुट वुड बी रिडायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स आउटपुट. बट कौन सा रिडायरेक्ट होगा वो कैसे पता चलेगा? Not 0, I'll not call it 0 0 0 1, these would be a selection line. But yes, if I have 4 inputs ABCD, it will redirect any one input to the output. एक ही output है इसमें. ठीक है, so what would which input to redirect towards the output? How would you get to know? हम multiplexer detail में पढ़ेंगे. I'll give you example, practical examples of it as well. But how would we get to know? It depends upon the selection lines. If I have 4 inputs, I'll have टू सिलेक्शन लाइन्स, 2:2, तो 2 सिलेक्शन लाइन्स होंगे। सिलेक्शन लाइन क्या करेगा, अगर मैं 0 0 सिलेक्ट करती हूँ सिलेक्शन लाइन में, देन ए वुड बी डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द आउटपुट। इफ आई सिलेक्ट 0 1, तो बी आगे जाएगा। अगर मैं 1 0 सिलेक्ट करती हूँ तो सी वुड बी रिडायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द आउटपुट, एंड 1 1 सिलेक्ट करती हूँ तो डी वुड बी रिडायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द आउटपुट. Okay, so this is a multiplexer which has 2:n inputs, single output and n selection lines. And finally, demultiplexer. What is a demultiplexer? It is opposite of multiplexer, where you will have one input. Is my screen visible? यहाँ पे hang हो गया है. I'm not able to write. Yes, just a minute. Yeah. So demultiplexer has one input, 2:n output and again n selection lines. ये जो वन इनपुट है उसको कौन से आउटपुट पे रीडायरेक्ट करना, दैट इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन सिलेक्शन लाइन. अगर मैं 0 0 सिलेक्ट करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे redirect होगा. Okay, so this is what demultiplexer, that is opposite of multiplexer. This table is very important in short questions also, or in longer runs also, not only in this third semester, but आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मल्टीप्लेक्सर तो उसके एक ही आउटपुट होता है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन सिलेक्शन लाइंस इट विल रीडायरेक्ट योर इनपुट टू योर आउटपुट. सो किसमें कितने इनपुट, कितने आउटपुट, कितने सिलेक्शन लाइंस, यू शुड बी नोइंग. Now, why did I explain this thing to you first before starting encoder? Was to explain you demultiplexer. What is demultiplexer? Decoder with enable is also treated as demultiplexer. हमने अभी जो सीखा उसको हम demultiplexer भी कह सकते हैं. Just look at this. Look at this diagram. If I consider to pen tool is not okay. Yes, if I treat this as input, I'm not able to write PDF. If I consider this as input, this as selection lines, and this as output. God. Can it be treated as a demultiplexer? One input, 2:n output, and ये n selection lines. If I have one input, n selection lines, and 2:n output, this will work as a demultiplexer. देखो यहाँ पे वही दिया है, उसको पूरा उल्टा कर दिया. E को इनपुट की तरह कंसिडर कर दिया, A और B को सिलेक्शन लाइन की तरह, एंड D0, D1, D2, D4 को आउटपुट की तरह. So we can say that a decoder with an enable pin can work as a demultiplexer. Okay, it is the enable input that makes the circuit a demultiplexer. पता चला? Did you all understand? Okay. Moving ahead, encoder. As I told you, I'll directly show you the table for it. As I told you, it is the reverse of what? Decoder. उसके अंदर decoder में we had 3 inputs and 2:3, that is 8 outputs. In encoder, what we will do is, here I have 8 inputs and they are redirected towards the given 3 outputs. Right? कितने input, कितने output? 2:n inputs, n outputs. Now, if I draw it and explain it to you, it will be more clear. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay? 3 outputs, X, Y, Z. If D0 is 1, X, Y, and Z all would be 0. Just look at the subscripts. Okay? If D1 is 1, your output would be like this. X में 0 आएगा, अगर X, Y, Z आपके आउटपुट है तो X में 0 आएगा, Y में 0 आएगा, Z में 1 आएगा. ठीक है, if d2 is 1 0 1 0, d3 is 1 0 1 1. Similarly, if d7 is 1, you'll have 1 1 1. Fine. So this is how this would be the truth table for your encoder. 8 में से ये 8 इनपुट में अगर दूं तो आउटपुट में किस फॉर्म में मुझे डेटा मिलेगा. Now how to design? Now this truth table is clear to us. So how to design the circuit, internal logic diagram for encoder? तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply form equations for x, y, z. मुझे इसकी सर्किट बनानी है, राइट? कि इनपुट पे से आउटपुट कैसे आया, तो मुझे इसकी सर्किट बनानी है. How would you design the circuit? Simply write where is x equal to 1. x कब 1 है? तो in last 4 cases x is 1. That is when d4 is 1, d5 is 1, d6 is 1 and d7 is 1. इन 4 cases में x की वैल्यू 1 है. So what is x equals to? d4 plus d5 plus d6 plus d7. When is y equal to 1? यहाँ पे that is d2 plus d3. Let us see d2 d3 और नीचे वाले दो d6 d7. जब ये दोनों 1 है तब y 1 है. Fine. So what would be the equation for y? d2 plus d3 plus d6 plus d7. What is the equation for z? Alternate d1 plus d3 plus d5 plus d7. So from this table we designed these equations. Fine. So that we can design the encoder circuit. हमारे पास x y z की इक्वेशन आ गए. Now all you have to do is design the circuit like this. ये रही सर्किट. This is known as octal to binary encoder. क्यों octal to binary encoder? If you look at the table over here, octal 8 input है. Depending upon the 8 inputs, it is giving you the binary value. Right? If D0 is the input, 0 generate करेगा, 0 0 0. अगर D7 input है तो 1 1 1 generate करेगा. And hence, this is octal to binary encoder. It is depending upon which input is selected, accordingly it will generate its equivalent binary value. And hence, it is an octal, that is 8 to binary. It's equivalent binary value. 8 को कैसे represent करते हो? 2 raised to 3. Right? So this is how a encoder is designed. यहाँ पे बस यही equation है. You have D0 to D7 as your inputs. Accordingly, it will generate your X, Y, Z as output. तो ये क्या हुआ? Opposite of decoder, encoder. Now, there is a variation in it. What variation can I have over here? अभी मैंने कहा कि अगर मेरे पास I have all these 8 inputs, right? And if I give 1 over here D0, तो output 0 0 0 आएगा. But can anyone think of कि सिर्फ मैंने D0 में 1 नहीं दिया, मैंने D0 और D4 दोनों में 1 दिया, तो क्या होगा? What would happen if I give input as 1 to D0 and D4 both? तो 0 0 0 जनरेट होगा कि 1 0 0 जनरेट होगा? Okay, so this type of issues are handled with priority encoder. If you provide D0 की बात की ना मैंने, D0 and D4. If I provide 1 to both these, my output would be 1 0 0. Whichever input has higher subscript, that would be redirected to the output. यानी अगर D1 and D7 है तो D7 वाली वैल्यू जनरेट होगी, that is 1 1 1. Okay, so now if you are asked to design a circuit for a priority encoder, how can you do that? How to do that? Can anyone tell me? यहाँ पे तो हमने इक्वेशन बना दिए, x की वैल्यू जब भी 1 है तो D4, D5, D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. These are my inputs. This is my output, and accordingly we design the equations. But for designing priority encoder, can I say that? मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ मैं उल्टा ड्रॉ करके आपको बताती हूँ. Let us just talk for a 2x4 4x2 encoder. यहाँ पे मेरा सपोज ऐसा है, ठीक है. D0, D1, D2, D3. These are my 4 inputs and 2 outputs, X and Y. When D1 is 1, नहीं इधर करते हैं. When D0 is 1, this would be 0, 0. अब मुझे प्रायोरिटी एनकोडर बनाना है. इट मीन्स इन केस व्हेन ऑल दीज 3 आर zeros, D0 is 1, तो 0, 0 जनरेट होगा. अब अगर D0 1 है और D1 1 है, what does that mean? If D0 is 1 and D1 is 1, what would be my output? It would be 0, 1 only. Why? Because हमने अभी क्या सीखा कि हायर ऑर्डर बिट जो भी है, that would be redirected towards the output, right? So can I say that all my lower order bits, if D1 is 1, my lower order bits value will not be taken into consideration. उसकी वैल्यू 0 होगी तो भी आपको 0, 1 आउटपुट मिलेगा, उसकी वैल्यू 1 होगी तो भी आपको 0, 1 आउटपुट मिलेगा. It means this has higher priority. Similarly, अगर D2 की वैल्यू 1 है तो we will not consider value of D0 and D1. They would be don't cares over here. Irrespective of whatever is the value of D0 and D1, अगर D2 की वैल्यू 1 हुई तो आपको क्या करना होगा? आउटपुट 1, 0 ही आएगा. And if the value of D3 is 1, irrespective of all the lower order bits, my output would be 1, 1. So this is what, this is a 2 cross 4, नहीं उल्टा लिखा मैंने, 4 cross 2 priority encoder. Now if I formulate the equations for x and y, ठीक है, कैसे बनेंगे x और y की equations? नहीं, 4 bit variable है. I need to find out equations. यहाँ पे D3, D2, D1, D0. Okay, what you will do is place don't cares at these locations and all the locations which are not used. Then formulate the equation for x and y, and that would help you to design the logic diagram for this circuit. पता चला? Don't cares, आप वो वाली values तो don't cares में जाएगी which are not used, right? Apart from this, you will also place these don't cares, and this would help you to design the circuit for priority encoder. जैसे हमने ऊपर डिजाइन किया था कौन सा डिकोडर विथ वी हैड डिजाइन दैट BCD to decimal decoder, ठीक है. Here you should be knowing what is priority encoder. Priority encoder means it would give priority to higher order, higher subscript inputs. Okay, inputs with higher subscripts would be getting higher priority. यानी most significant bit की बाजू वाला, ठीक है. If that is 1, all the lower order bits would be treated as don't cares, and accordingly you will be formulating the equations for x and y and design the circuit for your encoder. Okay, so this is all about encoder and priority encoder. We are lagging somewhat behind because in today's class I could teach you only half an hour. आगे के starting में 15-20 minute we discuss about the paper only. But so in the next class I'll be explaining you multiplexers. Okay, multiplexers that is left out. So decoder, encoder and demultiplexer में बस आपको उतना ही पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So decoder, encoder, demultiplexer